Why is Mario's lore so inconsistent? The world of video games is filled with rich narratives and complex characters, yet few franchises have experienced the same level of lore inconsistency as the series featuring the iconic plumber. This phenomenon can be attributed to several factors that have evolved over the years, shaping the storytelling approach and character development within the franchise. One significant reason for the inconsistency lies in the franchise's origins. The series began as a simple platforming game with straightforward objectives and minimal narrative depth. As the franchise grew in popularity, developers introduced new gameplay mechanics and characters, often prioritizing fun and creativity over a cohesive storyline. This led to the creation of various spin-offs and adaptations that sometimes contradicted established lore. Another contributing factor is the diverse team of creators involved in the franchise's development. Different game designers, writers, and artists have brought their unique visions to the series, resulting in varying interpretations of characters and storylines. This collaborative approach, while fostering innovation, has also led to discrepancies in character backgrounds and motivations. For instance, the portrayal of certain characters may change drastically from one game to another, leaving fans puzzled about their true nature. Additionally, the franchise has undergone numerous iterations and adaptations across different gaming platforms. Each new release often introduces new elements that may not align with previous narratives. For example, the introduction of power-ups, alternate dimensions, and various character transformations can create a convoluted timeline that is difficult to follow. This constant evolution can lead to a fragmented understanding of the overarching story. Moreover, the franchise has embraced a playful and whimsical tone, which often prioritizes entertainment over strict narrative coherence. This approach allows for creative freedom but can result in storylines that feel disjointed or inconsistent. The developers often lean into humor and absurdity, which can overshadow the need for a unified lore. Lastly, fan interpretations and community theories have also played a role in shaping the perception of the franchise's lore. As fans engage with the games, they often create their own narratives and connections, which can further complicate the understanding of the official story. This active engagement can lead to a multitude of interpretations, each with its own logic and reasoning. In summary, the inconsistency in the lore of the franchise featuring the plumber can be attributed to its origins, the diverse creative teams involved, the evolution across different platforms, the playful tone of the games, and the active engagement of the fan community. Each of these factors contributes to a rich but often perplexing narrative landscape that continues to captivate audiences around the world.